I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We are here at Mobile World Congress for 2013. We're at the Showstoppers event. Fantastic here at the Opera House in Barcelona. I am speaking with DTS's Mr. Dannie Lau. How are you today, sir?
Very good.
Excellent. Listen, for all the people out there in bnetTV land, why don't you give us a brief overview of DTS and what you're doing here at the Showstoppers event during Mobile World Congress?
Sure. So DTS is one of the premier licensors of audio technology. And today we're releasing out a new technology called Play-Fi. What Play-Fi lets you do is essentially hi-fi over Wi-Fi. We transmit audio losslessly, as well as wirelessly from a tablet, a PC, a phone to your speakers. We also support multi-room and multi-speaker streaming, so you can stream to up to 8 different speakers simultaneously with no echo between the speakers, no delay. It's a very nice feature for our whole home system. We allow up to 8 users stream different songs at the same time on the same network as well. So everyone in the house can listen to different music all at the same time.
So the connected home space is becoming so much more proficient, popular, and in demand within the ecosystem. There's a lot of economics that are being driven into new construction and new homes, and of course, spring's coming up. New projects start. People want to get into the idea of upgrading their electronics within their home environment. What were some of the challenges that DTS experienced, and how is this product going to trump or, trump?
Yep. So one of the biggest challenges is how do you do this all over standard Wi-Fi? If you look at other companies who have approached this in the market, they've been using proprietary RF systems that require you to buy a separate bridge, a separate router, or would just be incompatible with your existing PCs or your laptops or your mobile phones. What we've done that's very challenging is we've been able to make this work all over standard Wi-Fi. The quality of service, the synchronization, all over standard Wi-Fi, so the user doesn't have to add new wireless infrastructure to their home. They'll work with the existing wireless router that they probably already have.
So what were some of the backhaul concerns that, the secret sauce, if you will, that is within the Kodak that's sort of allowing this transition or transportation to happen at a faster pace, and why wasn't it 2 years ago?
Well, I think the reason why you haven't seen it for more is because it is so difficult. And with the technology we have DTS, we've been able to apply these technologies to get good quality of service over noisy wireless networks, as well as very tight audio synchronization, again, over wireless networks that can be unpredictable, highly trafficked, or just poor due to interference.
So I guess collision would be at the top of the list of things that the home network normally experiences, with more and more devices coming onto the home network at a faster pace and everybody wanting to do something different, and the onset of thicker data coming down the pipe at a better rate, being able to push out to the particular devices within the house kind of gets a little bit challenging, and it kind of weighs a little heavy. Let's get back to the secret sauce a little bit. How do I get it? Why is it so special? And what do I have to do?
Well, there is a lot of secret sauce, and it wouldn't be a secret if I told you all the secrets, but I can tell you it's extremely difficult to do. You can look at others who have tried to do it under Wi-Fi. The most they can claim is maybe stream to 1 or 2 speakers. We're reliably streaming to up to 8 speakers in the home, and we can support up to 16 different speakers. So essentially, it scales with your home. As big as your home is, this system's going to work for you, and we're going to do it over standard Wi-Fi.
Can I use my regular wireless speakers that I'm purchasing off of Amazon? Does it have to be something special? Is there an application that I need to download? What are some of the ingredients involved?
It uses a technology called Play-Fi, so you need to purchase speakers that have Play-Fi technology already integrated. It works with almost every Android device, from Android 2.2 to 4.2. There's a Play-Fi application you can download to stream anything from local music on your tablet, internet radio, DLNA, streaming services like Pandora. They're all supported in the app, and they can stream to your Play-Fi speakers. We also have support for Windows-based machines. So if you have a Windows laptop or Ultrabook, you can download the Play-Fi driver. It works with every application on Windows. You could use a Spotify client. You can use a music service through your web browser. You just choose which speakers you want to play to in the house, and it'll stream over Play-Fi to those speakers. And in fact, we just announced last month a new relationship with ASUS. They'll be using Play-Fi technology in their Windows-based products later in the year. So already we have third-party manufacturers coming on as Play-Fi licensees, and you'll see more and more Play-Fi products as the year goes on.
And of course, Danny, last question here, which is going to be the big one. What about the iPhone?
iPhone is great. Our technology is platform independent. We originally launched with Android. We just launched with Kindle Fire as well as the Kindle Fire HD. We just added Windows support, and we can support other platforms as well when the time comes. So.
Well answered. Danny, thanks very much for taking the opportunity to speak with us. Hope we get a chance for an update from DTS again in the future.
Great, thank you.
We'll speak with Mr. Dannie Lau of DTS here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona at the Showstoppers event for 2013, and I am Tony Sklar with bnetTV.